Welcome back everybody, my name is Aleksander Vlad and today I'm going to show you how to create a clipping mask in After Effects. So After Effects doesn't really have such a feature, but we're going to use another effect that does exactly the same thing. So first of all, I have this circle here and let's say I want to use it as a clipping mask. So for that, let's create another shape. So let's say the polygon tool and let's drag here another shape. And now let's say I want this polygon to be visible only inside this circle. Before going on, let's rename this to polygon. And now let's search for an effect called TrackMatte. And double click on it. So now here at the Take Matte from layer section, make sure you select your layer you want to be used as a clipping mask. So I'm going to use this circle layer. And now the polygon is actually visible only inside this circle. This circle layer is actually used as a clipping mask. So even if I move it, the polygon is still visible only inside this circle. So this is how you use it with a shape, but now let's try with a photo. So I have this photo here, let's just drag it here. And let's also disable the polygon because we don't need this anymore. And first of all, let's scale this image down. So unfortunately, we can't use the same method we used before. So I'm going to use another method, and for that I'm going to take this circle layer and I'm going to duplicate it with Ctrl D. And now I'm going to move it on top of all the other layers. And now I'm going to click on this image layer. And here in the TrackMatte panel, I'm going to select the Alpha Matte Circle 2. And now the image is actually visible only inside this circle. So even if I move this circle, this image will still be visible only inside this shape. Actually, we can disable the original circle. And now we have this circle used as a clipping mask. So by the way, if you don't have this TrackMatte panel, just press F4 until you see it. Or you can actually use these buttons from the bottom left corner. It's actually this one from the middle. Yeah, and that's pretty much all. So thanks a lot for watching and talk to you soon.